Let's check out the new release by Kellofaplan. Hi everyone, this is Angie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here today, I welcome you and I hope you'll stick around. If you're a returning subscriber or viewer, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you here. Guys, in today's video, we're going to be previewing the new release by Kellofaplan. You can see here that these two sticker books are designed in collaboration with Versed Planning. So Heather is releasing florals and boxes, and Versed Planning is releasing coordinating doll and illustrations. So this is very exciting. I'm hopeful that this is the first collaboration of many to come. So let's go ahead and get into it. We're going to have a neutral boxes and we're going to have a Roygbiv boxes, or boxes and florals, I should say. So let's start out with Roygbiv. This is going to be volume 6. We have seen 5 previous versions of this, and I have loved every single one. When these get released, I get very excited because I think these are so useful. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what we've got for Roygbiv Boxes and Florals Volume 6. I may have forgotten to tell y'all, I got so excited over these books. This release will go live on Friday, May 30th at 10 a.m. Central, 11 a.m. Eastern. And I will be leaving a Kellofaplan affiliate link in my description box. I would love it if you would consider shopping through that link because it won't cost you anything extra, but I will earn a small commission, and I would just appreciate that so much. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. This sticker book has 734 stickers. I'm excited to see what we've got. And FYI, I am seeing this for the first time, so I will be sharing my true reactions. So first up is red, and I can see here that we've also got some pretty pinks in here. So it looks like we've got a double vertical wide and a double vertical long, plus our normal vertical size boxes. We've got some quarter boxes and some headers and some half boxes, along with our multitude of bullet points and our checklist. So I love that one. Of course, these are on paper. So we have 1 page of boxes, and we're going to get 2 pages of illustrations on clear. And these 2 pages are exact copies of one another. So what you see here, you'll also have a second set. So there's no need to hoard. All right, so it looks like we're going to get a corner, a side, and a cascading, along with several little bunches. These are just gorgeous. Here's the second page, which matches the prior. Moving into the orange section, the boxes are going to be laid out the same. I love these colors. Here's our florals. Oh, wow, look at these. This is kind of a purplish brown. These would be so pretty for the fall, or with the orange, even summer. Now in this one, we've got 2 sides. And we still have our corner and our cascading. So here's our second page. Moving into yellow, these are gorgeous. I know yellows are kind of hard to see in your planner, but I feel like these are very pigmented. Beautiful florals. Second page. Oh, look at the greens, y'all. These are so pretty. I love these. Man, where were these at St. Patrick's Day? On this one, look, we've got several side strips here. And we still have our corner and our cascading. I like the little arch here. These are pretty, and these aren't so huge that you can't use them in your monthly. These are sized really well. I like the little cute ones here. These are really nice. Okay, look at the blue. So we've got a navy, we've got royal, and we've got teal. How pretty is that? These are gorgeous, y'all. Again, we've got some small sides here. Here's the second sheet of florals. More blue. Look at this, is like a midnight blue. How gorgeous. I like the variety of the colors on the boxes. These would be really pretty for winter with this white floral in here. Here's the second sheet. Look at these blues. These are just stunning. Are these the same as the one we just saw? Let's look back, go back. Okay, they are different. Gosh, I thought I got a bonus and I had a duplicated set. I kind of got excited there for a minute, little low-key excitement. I wish I could have seen my big eyes. Okay, these are really pretty too, and that almost reminds me of a hydrangea. I think I'm going to ask Heather if we can get some hydrangeas. How beautiful are these, y'all? Oh man, look at this purple. I hope y'all can see this. I've got a light that is just in front of my book and it's kind of getting in my way. This is a deep eggplant. These are beautiful. Ooh. Love these. I'm not sure if these are all the same artist, but I am here for it, y'all. I am here for it. Ooh, wow, pink. Gorgeous. Okay, these just kind of took my breath away. This is a stunning collection here. Second page. We're getting to the end because my book is trying to flip up on me. Oh, and look at these. These are like some peachy taupe type colors. Look at these, y'all. How gorgeous. I can't wait to see what Versed Planning is going to have that coordinates with this. Okay, so that's the last page in Roygbiv Volume 6. I cannot wait to see the coordinating, books that are going to be coming out from Versed Planning. That collection was just stunning. Okay, now we're moving into neutral boxes and florals. This is volume 2. This one has 752 stickers. I missed out on volume 1 and I am so excited to have volume 2. So let's get into this one and see what we've got in here. Okay, right away, mic drop. These are beautiful. So these stickers are going to be the same shape and size as what we had in Roygbiv Volume 6. We've got the double wide vertical and a double long vertical. These are great for your sidebar also. And even though they're cut for the vertical, of course, you can use them in any size planner. So we've got our quarter boxes here. We've got some headers and our half boxes along with bullet points and checklist. Here are the coordinating florals. These are just beautiful. Again, we've got a corner, a side, and a cascading. Second page is a duplicate. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I'm excited over this book. This is kind of a mulberry type color in my opinion. Look at these. I've never shopped from Versed Planning. I just can't wait to see what the coordinating stickers are going to look like. Okay, we've got some blacks and grays here, kind of a gunmetal gray. How pretty are these? I'm wondering if this is the same illustrator as the Roygbiv. Now these are some blues, like bluish gray. Look at that. Some of these I'm thinking would be so pretty, like for anniversary spreads or, special occasions. Look at this little side one here. And we've still got our corner. How pretty. Golds. Wow. These are gorgeous. Second page of matching. Now this is like a greenish color, and this is more of like a blue. I can't wait to see the florals for this one. Ooh. How pretty. Browns and golds. Second page. Gold, black, and gray. These are just lovely. Lovely is not a word I used very often, but I just don't know how else to explain these. This is like a grayish blue. I think we're getting towards the end. I like these little small bunches. Those are so cute. These are just stunning. I love these colorways. Heather did a great job of picking out the colors from the illustrations. Oh, this one's kind of giving the boho vibe. I don't have anything that's boho-ish. How pretty. That's the last page in this one. Okay, guys, that was Neutral Boxes and Florals Volume 2 by Kellofaplan. And here we've got Roygbiv Boxes and Florals Volume 6, of course, also by Kellofaplan. This is a special collab with Versed Planning. I can't wait to see what we're going to get for Versed Planning. I think I better get my credit card out. So anyway, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this flip through with me. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. Again, I will drop an affiliate link in the description box. I would appreciate it if you would shop through that link because it won't cost you anything extra. As a reminder, this does go live on Friday, May 30th at 10 a.m. Central, 11 a.m. Eastern. Get your credit cards ready, y'all, because I feel like this one could be a sellout. So I hope y'all enjoyed my flip through video. If you did, please go on and hit that like button. Leave me a comment down below. If you haven't yet subscribed, go on and hit that subscribe button and come on back for more. Okay, guys, y'all have a great day. Happy shopping, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.